A very good morning. Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. A warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijay Lakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I am going to explain about the employee retention in the company. So, why the employee retention plays a very vital role at present scenario? Because employees are the main capital. We can say that it's a human capital is very much important at present to retain our business in success. So what is a employee retention is? So retaining our skilled and trained employees for a long time. So why we need to retain our employees? Because they are skilled, because of them our turnover is reaching to our target, and we are given the most training facilities for them, and they are loyal to our business. So these aspects makes them to retain the employee in our organizations. So generally, why the employees are getting transferred from one organization with another organization? So the company should focus on building a positive work environment, so offering a competitive and comprehensive, and they can give some benefits, providing the opportunities for them for their growth and for their employment and their family members. Specifically includes creating a strong bond, and this makes them to stay back in their organization, and they will show more interest, they will show more loyal towards our organization. So these aspects as to company must focus to retain the employee with them. And another thing is retaining the skilled employees. So what do you mean by skilled employees? It doesn't mean that the people are skilled or non-skilled. Whether they may be a fresher or they may be non-skilled, we are giving them a proper training and making them a skilled people in our organization. So retaining a skilled employees is very important, because if you're not able to retain the employee, again we have to recruit the new person, again we have to spend training and other benefits to them to make them a skilled employee. So in order to avoid such circumstances, the skilled employees are very important, that we should make them to stay in our organizations. So these are all aspects which focuses on turnover into our businesses. So the impact, that is a high impact of a business turnovers. So what are the causes for the employee turnovers? So lack of career growth opportunities. If they didn't find any growth in the business or in their job, they try to move from the another organizations. And the low like benefits, if they are not finding any benefits, then there is a possibilities the poor management and the leaderships and work life imbalances. That's also most important thing at present, because the employee has to manage their work and the professional life in equal equalism. So otherwise they cannot able to show the interest on their job, in order to they're not able to manage their personal life. When they are able to manage both the aspects in an equal scenario, so it is a possible for them to retain in the organizations. So what are the benefits of employee retentions? It reduces the recruitment and the training cost, because if you want to train the employees, so we have to spend the amount, and for them they have to spend the money and time, so make them to be work for our scenario. So improves the employee moral and the opportunities, like productivity is also important. Maintain the organization knowledge, that enhances the customer satisfaction and loyalty. These are all the possible aspects of the at present world. So we can say the key retention strategy, that what we can maintain the competitive, we can maintain a career development and training, and we can give the benefits of all them, like positive, we can create a positive work culture where they can feel very comfort zone for working, and recognition and rewards. the most important. And it is another thing, like if you recognize the employee loyal and his hard work, definitely the person will show the more interest working towards the organization. Then work life balance to be initiated. Then they are there should be a open communication and getting the feedback from the employee. If he find any problems, then he can deliberately and he can share his pains with the top level, so that they can understand and then come over with the employees satisfactions. So these are all the like we can say the strategies that we can follow. By concluding, the retention as a strategy HR policy. So as a HR, it's the main priority to retain the employee for a long time. Then long term investment in the people in the business, that is nothing but the business success. The consistency and adaptabilities are the main key factors. So if you want to be a success business, so retain our skilled employees. So this is a small intro about this. Thank you for giving the opportunity.